Assalamualaikum, good morning. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Miss Aisha Riaz and I am your math teacher. Before I go ahead, I would love to pay my humble compliment to you all students. So now let's come to the topic. Today we are going to solve the questions of exercise number 2.6 of chapter number 2, which is systems of real numbers, radicals and exponents. I make a video. On that one video, I solve all the questions of exercise number 2.6. So now let's come to the video. Student, this is exercise number 2.6 question. Write down the radicand and the index for the following. Here the letters wherever these occur are all positive real numbers. Letters we have in a positive real number. So in this question, we have need to find the radicand and the index of the following question. So first we discuss what is radicand and what is index. The radicand is the value which is written under the root. This is radicand, and the index the power which is outside the root. This is the index. Question number 1, 4 under root 35. So 4 is index because this is power which is outside the root. Here I explain. Here I write 2. This index number which is 2. The under root sign is called radical. And the value which is written under the root, this is radicand. So in question number 1, 4 which is the power, this is index number, root sign the radical, and the value 35 is radicand. Radicand is 35 because this value is written under the root 35, and the index which is the power is 4. Index is equal to 4. Question number 2, 5 power 5 under root xyz upon t. So radicand is xyz upon t because this is written under the root xyz upon t, and the index is 5 because 5 is the power outside the root. Answer. Question number 3, power 6 under root 8 upon 17. 8 upon 17 is radicand. Eight upon 17, and 6 is index. Index is equal to 6. Answer. Question number 4, power n under root p upon q. So n is the index and p upon q is radicand. Radicand is equal to p upon q. Index is equal to n. Question number 5, power 5 under root 3xyz upon ut. 3xyz upon ut. Index is equal to 5. This is answer. So स्टूडेंट, इन क्वेश्चन में हमें सिर्फ यही डिफाइन करना था कि रेडिकेंड और इंडेक्स क्या है. इन क्वेश्चंस में आई रिपीटेड अगेन, द वैल्यू विच इज़ रिटन अंडर द रूट. जब वैल्यू रूट के अंदर लिखी हुई होगी वह रेडिकेंड है, और जब पावर रूट के बाहर होगी वो आपकी इंडेक्स है. On previous question we had to find out the index and the radicand of the following question, but in this question we have to find and we have to solve the radicand and the index of the question. Part number 6, power 3 under root 27. So index we have cube. So first we take the LCM of 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So factors of 27 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We can write in a place of 27. Power 3 as it is equal to, now we make the pair 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So we have index 3. So we make the pair of 3. So here we write 3 cube and power 3. So 3 से cube root cancel out. So 3. Cube root 27 is equal to 3. This is the answer. Question number 7. 4 under root 625. 625. So first we take the LCM of 625. Index we have 4. Now we take the LCM of 625. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. So factors of 625 are, we can write in a place of 625 the factors 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and index 4. So we have index 4, so we make the pair of 4. We have 5 4 times, so we make the pair, so 5 power 4 and index 4 as it is. 4 root से 4 cancel out, power 4 root 4 से cancel out, so we have only 5 in the remaining. So root 4 root 625 is equal to 5 is the answer. We have index 4, so that's why we make the pair of 4 4. If we have index of 2, if we have index 2, so we make the pair of 2, and if we have index 3 cube, so we make the pair of 3. Here we have index 4, so that's why we make the pair of 4. Part number 8. 8 root a power 8 b power 8. So here we write index is 8 and radicand are a8, a power 8, b power 8. So here we write a power 8, b power 8 and index is 8. So 8 से root 8 cancel हुआ, so remaining is ab. So root 8 a power 8 b power 8 and index is 8, which is equal to ab. This is the answer. Question number 9 is under root 5 upon 7 whole square. So here we write under root 5 upon 7 whole square. So we have root, we have no index, so root is equal to 1 upon 2. So here we can write, in a place of root we can write power 1 upon 2. So square से 1 upon 2 cancel out. 5 upon 7 is remaining, so this is the answer. Part number 10 is power p under root m and whole power p. So here we write index is p under root, radicand are m and index is p and whole power p. So in p under root we can write 1 upon p and whole power p. 1 upon p and power p cancel out, so remaining is m multiplied by n, means के mn. p root mn whole power p is equal to mn. This is the answer. Part number 11, cube root 81 upon 125. So first we take the LCM of 81 and 125. So 81, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So factors of 81 are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we take the LCM of 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So factors of 125 are 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So cube root 81 upon 125. In a place of 81 we write the factors of 81. In a place of 125 we write the factors of 125. So here I solve directly. Cube 3 cube से cube root cancel out, so remaining is 3, and 5 cube से cube root cancel out, so remaining is cube root 3. क्योंकि हमारे पास 4 टाइम 3 थे, हमने 3 का पेयर बना लिया और 1 3 हमारे पास रिमेनिंग आया, जिसके साथ क्यूब रूट 3 एज इट इज़ आ गया. दिस इज़ द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 इज़ n root q divided by m root q. So here I write n root q divided by m root q. In a place of n root we can write 1 upon n q power 1 upon n. In a place of m root, we can write 1 upon m. So here we can apply a formula. Base are same and have a divide sign between them, so power will be subtract. So here I write a formula, a power m divided by a power n. Base same है तो power subtract हो जाएगी. Q base same, so we write it in one time, and 1 upon n minus 1 upon m. Powers आपस में subtract हो गई. m n LCM लेंगे अब हम 1 upon n minus 1 upon m का. So here I solve. So LCM of 1 upon n minus 1 upon n is m minus n divided by nm. This is the answer. Question number 13. 4 under root 256 a power 4 b power 4. Here we take the LCM of 256. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So factors of 256 are 2 multiplied by 2, so we make the pair of 2 2. Means 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 root 256 a power 4 b power 4 is equal to, in a place of 256 we write 4 power 4, because 4 is 4 times, a power 4 b power 4 and 4 root as it is. So 4 root से power 4 cancel out, a power 4 से root 4 cancel out, b power 4 से root 4 cancel out. So 4ab, this is the answer. Part number 14 is cube root 64 a power cube b power 9 divided by 216 c power 6 and d power 18. So first we take the LCM of 64 and 216. So here I start from 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Then we find the LCM of 216. 2 10s are 20, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So here we write cube root 64 a power cube b power 9 divided by 216 c power 6 d power 18 equal to, in a place of 64 we write the factors of 64, which are 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 a power cube and b power 9. So हम इसे break करके लिखेंगे 3 multiplied by 3, because we have index 3 इंडेक्स है तो हमें पावर को भी क्यूब में ही ब्रेक करना है. हम वी ब्रेक द पावर 3 multiplied by 3 इक्वल टू 9. सो हमने ब्रेक करके क्यूब फॉर्म में लिखा. इन अ प्लेस ऑफ 216 वी राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 216, विच आर 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. सी पावर 6 को हम ब्रेक कर लिखेंगे क्यूब फॉर्म में 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. तो हमने क्यूब फॉर्म में लाना था. सो वी ब्रेक द पावर ऑफ 6 in a 2 multiplied by 3. We also break the power of 18. 6 3s are 18. क्यूब फॉर्म में हमें ब्रेक करना है, so we break the power in a cube form. We make the pair of 3 3 because index we have 3. 4 क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, a क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, b क्यूब पावर क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट. Now we make the pair of 3. So 2 पावर क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, 3 पावर क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, c स्क्वायर. सो क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, सो वी हैव c स्क्वायर, d पावर 6 और क्यूब. सो क्यूब से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल आउट, सो वी हैव d पावर 6. सो हियर वी सॉल्व 4ab क्यूब divided by 2 3s are 6, 6 c square d power 6 as it is. सो 4 और 6 को आपस में कैंसिल आउट करेंगे. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 3 ज़ा 6. सो 2ab³ डिवाइडेड बाय 3c स्क्वायर d पावर 6. So 2ab³ divided by 3c square d power 6. This is the answer. Friend, I hope you all are understand this. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask. So I will reply on a Google Classroom comment. So after solving the all questions of exercise number 2.6, now your syllabus has been completed, because exercise number 2.7 and 2.8, these two exercises we have been done on regular classes, physical classes. So this was your last exercise which we already solved. So now here your syllabus has been completed. So I wish you all the best for your final exams. So now do practice of all exercises. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.